did it, now I don't. Now I do it, now I don't.
Oh, look at old
Papa,
Grayson.
did this come from your John Deere?
Okay.
No, they came from my other truck.
Oh.
Okay.
Was it like that?
Okay. Now you gotta cock it.
Ah! What?
Very good. You're getting better and better.
You shot it. You shot it on the seat, Thomas. Very good.
I don't think you had something. I don't think you cocked it all the way.
Is that cocked all the way?
Yeah, it is. Very good. Okay.